you very much. Yeah.
It's an ABC
There we
Yankees book.
Ooh, say thank you, buddy. Look at that. It's all the letters of the alphabet, right?
With the Yankees.
Ooh.
Wow.
James, do you like the
Cool.
Yankees?
Look.
Yeah.
A princess book.
Spider-Man.
Ooh.
It's an ornament if you want to put it on your
Thank
tray.
you. And look, Elmo! Look, it's Abby in there. I bet you she's in here. Ooh, and Big Bird and Super Grover. And who else? And Snuffleupagus. And the owl. That's her birthday gift.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Oh, how pretty! Look! A pretty bowl and
Emily,
lace
this one.
set.
Oh, this is